Are you confused about property titles and land ownership in Nigeria? Well, here is what you need to know. Property titles and land ownership can be very confusing in Nigeria, but understanding them is very crucial. Today, I'll break down the different types of property titles and what you need to look out for. Let's start with Certificate of Occupancy, the COO. Certificate of Occupancy is a title document that shows evidence of property ownership. It is signed by the governor of the state or a commissioner representing him. This title document is the most important document because it gives you both rights and interest to use a property for a specific purpose. To get this document, you will need to apply to the state government, who then conduct a due diligence to verify the legitimacy of your claim to the land. This document is issued for a duration of 99 years, after which the holder would go and renew it. Without the COO, your land can be reclaimed by the government at any point in time without compensation. A COO is only issued to the first person that purchases a land. Anybody buying from that first person would need to get a governor's consent, which is taking us to the next title document. This governor's consent will now deem your transaction legal in the eye of the government, that you are now the owner of the acquired property and the current holder of the COO, which was registered by the first buyer. Thirdly, we have the deed of assignment. The deed of assignment is a legal document which transfers both rights and interest of a land from the seller to the buyer. It is the permanent record of transfer, specifically the dates the ownership changes hands. The deed of assignment contains both the name, address, and information of both the seller and the buyer, stating the approval of transfer. This document is prepared by the buyer's lawyer and the signature of both the buyer and the seller as stated on it. It also contains the receipts of the amounts paid and the readiness of the seller to accept these amounts, as well as the signature of the witness present. The deed of assignment would also contain the information of the lawyer who prepared this deed, a survey plan, and a copy of a signed and validated governor's consent. It is also advised to go through the Land Use Act of 1978 to understand more about the title document or seek professional and legal opinions on what to do. Subscribe to my channel to get more information about real estate.